Shelly Hopkins here, and I want to tell you about my story and why I created an online business right after this. Okay, I am going to tell you my story and why I decided to create an online business. First, let me tell you about my channel. I help businesses, entrepreneurs learn how to succeed online, along with motivation, because motivation is actually key. If you're into any of this, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you can be notified so you don't miss any of my videos. Yay! Also, if you get anything out of this video, give me a big thumbs up. It'll help the algorithm and more people see the video. Have you ever wanted to quit your 9-to-5 job? Especially one that you weren't happy at and simply wish that you could work from home? I want to tell you why I no longer have my 9-to-5 and why I started an online business. The best part about it is I can actually help you. I was a senior network engineer with a very established company. I have actually worked in information technology for over 20 years now. To tell you the truth, I actually like my job. I liked my job. I liked my job a lot. I liked what I did and everybody that I worked with. It was as if everybody was kind of like one big happy family. Like my second family that I could go to. During the last 2 years, I worked there and the company ended up getting sold. And the new people were not so family friendly, I guess you could say. I'd already had an e-commerce store that I worked on at night. It wasn't doing that great, so I decided to look into a software called ClickFunnels. It's a funnel builder software. I had several people tell me about it. Actually, I had a whole bunch of people tell me about it. And that it could actually help me in my business. It's just a different way to go about doing it. This is when I then learned Russell Brunson. I about forgot his name for a second. I learned who Russell Brunson was. Yeah, imagine that. Holy cow. This funnel stuff is freaking amazing, okay? Once I started working with ClickFunnels and found out about how it's such a powerful funnel builder software, it was all over. It was sold. If you're not sure what ClickFunnels does, it helps businesses market, sell, and actually deliver their products in an online sales funnel. Once I fell in love with it, though, I found out that they have an affiliate program, and it actually pays pretty decent. Before I go any further, let's stop right there, okay? Or stop. In order to have any successful business online, you have to have a pretty powerful why. Yes, you have to have your why. What I mean by that is why you are doing it in the first place. I mean, what was the reason that got you thinking about creating your own online business? I mean, there had to be a reason, right? This is powerful. And please do not start your own online business before you actually know your why, okay? It's the most important thing in your business, and it's actually what will end up driving you to success. So let's proceed with my why. Okay, I found out that not only myself, but that there was a huge chance that the new company that had taken over could possibly get rid of my department. Again, these were rumors, and more people we actually started seeing getting laid off. So let's just say that I got pretty nervous. I mean, we are taught that the only way to work is a 9-to-5, right? Okay, I am a single mom to a wonderful little girl who is my whole world. Oh my gosh. But she relies on me to be there for her and to provide for her. And once I heard about all of the layoffs and everything, I mean, who wouldn't? I started worrying, right? Because I mean, I'm the one that has to support her and what I needed to do. So I had to start looking for another job. I didn't know what to do. It's tough when you have been somewhere for 11 years, because that's how long I was with the company. I also found out that all the information technology positions that I was looking for ended up being all the way on the other side of Tulsa, which is actually 60 minutes away from me. I thought about it, and even though it would be a job, I wouldn't get to spend any quality time with my little girl during the week because I would be on the road all the time. So I decided to stay at the current job I was at and just wait it out. Okay, there are real ways to eventually quit your 9 to 5. The more I started to learn about ClickFunnels affiliate program, the more I started doing research. I found out that there are a ton of successful people that do nothing but affiliate marketing. The obsession began. I actually like to help people, and my favorite part about affiliate marketing was that I could actually help people by starting their own online business and how to do affiliate marketing if that's what they chose to do. I ended up quitting my e-commerce site and started to really focus on creating my own online business and everything that's involved in it. And my goal was helping businesses and entrepreneurs with online marketing, affiliate marketing, motivation. So now I'm not saying that you can't be successful with e-commerce, because I told you I quit it and I wasn't doing good. Because I do know several people that are very successful at it. I mostly like the part about not having to deal with customers, complaints, they didn't get their shipment and stuff like that. I also found out that you need to give any online business that you do at least 2 years. And I didn't know that. So I had mine probably about a year. I might have done better if I would have kept with it. But affiliate marketing, I like. And it's simply selling other people's products. You help out with the front end and then let the company deal with the back end. You end up having to pick your niche, however they say it, and find good companies to promote. But I'll talk about that on another video. Okay, I lost my job. I did end up losing the job. I got laid off. I worked for the new company that took over for about 2 years. That's when, and then we all got laid off. We got laid off on April Fool's Day, right? I knew that I would get an employment, so I told myself I could succeed with my online company, and that I would just make it work. After all, I had to, because I do have a pretty powerful why, right? If you really want an online business, do what needs to be done and don't give up on yourself. I wish I could end this video by telling you that I buckled down and I started seeing all of the success automatically, but that would be a lie. Success isn't easy to come by, or else, everybody would have it, right? It's been 6 months now, and I honestly can tell you that I screwed up more than I succeeded. But yes, I am starting to actually see some good results now. But it did take time. I want to give you the best advice that I could possibly give someone who is serious about starting their own online business. I spent over $5,000 in the beginning on so many different courses and all kinds of things. All I really needed to spend was $107. You probably do not believe me, but I'm serious. ClickFunnels has a one funnel away challenge that guides you step by step on launching your first or your next funnel. The $100 helps cover the creation of all of your kit that you get, the materials and stuff. But if you include the value of all of that and the bonuses, they say it's worth way more than $3,000. And then when you add my bonuses on top of that, that's more than $3,000 too. The other is a 15-day business builder challenge that Legendary Marketer has. It is the best training I have ever seen for $7. And it teaches you to set up your own actual business. So all you really need to do is those two things and spend $107 instead of wasting thousands of dollars on stuff that you really don't need. Okay? All right, guys. If you got anything out of this video, do me a favor and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Okay? And I will see you on the next video.